Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today's May 7, 2018. This is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we give you all the news according to the charts before it actually happens. Okay, you guys can see that Bitcoin currently is down 2.91%. Last trade was $9,368.10. And we move lower from what we had yesterday in the market, but we came and held support around $9,200. But again, I'm not at all convinced that we're actually done moving to the downside. There's a slight probability of us continuing to move lower towards $8,800. Just want to bring that on your radar. Not necessarily saying that it's going to occur relatively quick, but it's still something that we are noticing on the daily price chart. You can see on the 3-hour chart that we are getting some weakness coming in the market. Volume is lighter, but again, there is still weakness here. Market definitely needs to continue its upward movement over the last 6 hours. Right now, you can see that we're currently taking a break in Bitcoin. So I'm expecting us to continue to get in this consolidation range right here in the background that we had in this chart. Expecting that to start again. As you guys can see, that we are making slight upward movement in Bitcoin on these lower lows. Okay, I'm sorry, we're making higher lows here on this 3-hour chart. So we definitely need to maintain that in order for us to continue to move higher. But right now, short term, expecting us to consolidate. 9,300 might even come all the way down back a little shorter, around 9,250 or even 9,200 even. Those could all be probable support areas. But right now, I'm expecting consolidation, movement back up to $9,500 throughout trading tomorrow. But right now, definitely weakness is here. So short term, looking for Bitcoin to move to the downside. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is down 5.58%. Last trade was $749.98. Looking at the daily price chart for Ethereum, you all can see that we have had massive volume come in the market today. Same thing of what occurred on the 25th of April. So definitely we need to pay attention to what is happening in Ethereum. And the moment $800 is resistance. So definitely you would expect us to get inundated with some stockpile right there around that price. Again, this is a change in tone. Tomorrow, the next day is going to be crucial for all of the cryptocurrencies in this space. If the market closes above the previous close, then definitely we're still going to move higher. 3-hour bars for Ethereum. You can see where we came and actually recovered from the market, but we're still getting some weakness in the short term. 740, even all the way down to 730 needs to hold support in order for us to maintain consolidation and even movement to the upside. $770, possibly up to 780 can be resistance as well. Okay, so right now, expecting consolidation. But tomorrow, on that daily price chart, if that daily price bar for tomorrow closes above the previous close, there is still strength in the space for Ethereum, and as well as all the other altcoins for the majority of them. But if y'all are interested in learning more about language analysis or even getting the news before it happens, then you have to come be a member of ours at HueFin News on Patreon, because we are the ones who are giving you the news before the market actually moves. Okay, and we could tell all that by the price bars and the volume in conjunction one with another. And it tells us precisely what the market is thinking and what it's feeling. So if you guys want to know more about it, or even see a different analysis for another altcoin, then you have to become one of our members. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.